friends, welcome back to my channel Sparkle Your Life. So I'm speaking so slowly because Rajiv and Saisha have slept on the sofa. Saisha was sleeping in the afternoon and then she came to Rajiv and she is asleep in his lap and Rajiv is also asleep. So it's Tuesday. We are very tired from work. We have multiple meetings going on and yeah, huge amount of work. I might have to work in the night also. So I thought to de-stress myself in the evening. This is the time when we can de-stress ourselves, and since Rajiv and Saisa are asleep, we cannot go out to play, we cannot go out for walk or anything. So I thought to cook some yummy snacks and I'll also share with you guys. And the main purpose of today's video is to announce the winner of a giveaway. Yes, the time has come when I can announce the winner of the giveaway and I feel so happy saying that. So stay tuned. And here I have my potatoes boiled. I have to mash it. So when Rajiv is awake, he'll help me in cutting raw materials. He'll help me in smashing these. I'm preparing the breadcrumbs now. So I'll put these bread into the toaster and then we'll prepare the breadcrumbs. See, our bread toast is ready. I'll just put it in the mixer and I will grind it. Hopefully they don't get up with the grinding noise. And I have my breadcrumbs ready. So nothing rocket science. I just took 4 pieces of bread, toasted it and ran into a mixer. My mashed potato is ready except the spices. So I have to put all the spices in it. And yeah, I have already cut the onions and chili and coriander leaves. So I'll show you. Wait. Okay. So let me show you. Let's turn the camera. So this is how it's looking. In the potato I have put onions, coriander leaves, ginger and chili. Now I'll put all the spices and we'll mix it up properly. So see, this is how it looks. So potato, onions, chili, ginger, coriander leaves, salt as per taste, coriander powder as per taste, chili powder again as per taste, and sprinkle of pepper powder. So that is it. And just little bit of oil to add the taste, and we'll just mix it up so that you all know I have washed my hands pretty good, and we'll just smash it up. So I put this oil in this big vessel so that I can make 4-5 aloo tikkis at one time, and spread this oil with the help of this brush and let it heat up for some time. Oh, Saisha is awake. I'll be back soon. Saisha. So Saisha needs milk. I'll just quickly warm her milk up and give it to her. She's still with Rajiv, so we are good. And Rajiv is still sleeping. And Saisha is also still in her sleep, but she needs milk. So I think it's warmed up. I'll be back. Where is the cover? Saisha drinking milk. Rajiv has turned his head and still sleeping. It's almost 8 p.m. Saisha. They slept for a long time today. Saisha, you'll sleep in the night or not? Then you and daddy have a party and mommy will sleep in the night. Okay? 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 Drink the milk. So now we'll take this potato dough and we will flatten it little bit. See, like this. Okay. Roll it over in bread nerve. So Saisha is not giving background music. She's singing her poems. Okay. So see, my potato rolled into crispy bread crumbs so that this potato snack is very crispy. So now I'll just put it in oil. In Hindi, we call it as aloo tikki. And Rajiv is still asleep. So once he wakes up, he'll get this surprise snack of aloo tikki aloo crispy, potato crispy patties along with tea. And then we can together announce the winner of a giveaway. So I'll just turn it over once one side is finished. So I turned it over and I'm trying to try the other side. The shape might not be that perfect, but who cares about the shape, right? It will be yummy to eat. So once it's fried both the sides, I'll just take it out. Simple and easy, right? See the current position. Raj is still sleeping and Saisha on top of him. She loves to be with her dad. Saisha, what are you doing? Playing with dad? Dada is asleep. Try to wake dada. So friends, even my aloo tikki, potato patties, the crispy is getting ready. So for tea, we want to make 2 cups. So we'll take 1 cup of milk and 1 cup of water. It's a very simple Indian tea, friends. So yeah, but still I'll show you very quickly. It's very quick, and we'll just put it to boil. And there are thousands of ways of making this, and the quantity of everything, the amount of milk, water depends on your taste. I prefer for 2 cups 1 cup of milk and 1 cup of water, and I'll let it boil. In the meantime, I'll add little ginger to it. Okay, so I put the ginger to my milk and I'll add 2 teaspoons of sugar. So I'll just add 2 teaspoons of sugar, and it depends on how much sweet you want. And see, my milk has boiled. I'll just put tea leaves to it. I'll put 3 teaspoons. 1, 2, 3, and I will mix it up. So how to recognize if the tea is good? With this color actually. So it depends on different people liking different types, but once I get my color, I'll just strain it and then it's done. And Rajiv should be awake, but he's not. I don't know what happened to him. He might be daydreaming about winning a lottery. It's ready. So see, my potato patties are ready, and I'll just put a little tomato sauce in between. And this would be the perfect snacks. Now I'll prepare 5 for me also, and then I'll also put tea. So tea and this potato snacks. Heaven. So my final step is just strain this tea into our cup. So I have this cute wifey and hubby coffee mugs we can use for tea also. We generally drink in this, and so this is the step I fear a lot. I can spill the tea out also, okay? Don't mind for that. Oh god, oh god, oh god. It's okay, Shreya, you can do it. This is the part which Rajiv does, but I have to manage. Why will it always fall? Okay, I'm done. Now it's fine. Yeah, so we cannot be perfect. This is one thing I cannot do. I don't know why, but I cannot strain teas into cups without spilling them over. I cannot. Done. Okay. The first surprise is this tray with this crispy potato patties and this tea in a hubby coffee mug, but tea. Okay. And the second surprise is this messed up kitchen. This milk over here. These all here. A completely messed up kitchen, and with tea spilled here and there. Yeah, I don't feel ashamed to show them because I really cannot pour anything in a mug without spilling it over. So his second surprise is he has to clean the kitchen. You know, I cooked a lot. Yeah, he is getting awake, I think. I cooked a lot and I really worked hard for these snacks. Now, I think it's his duty to clean the kitchen. Correct? Let's wake him up. Saisha, let's wake your dad up. Okay, let me take this to him and let me wake him up. Now it's around 8:45 p.m. So you may say almost 9 p.m. and Rajiv is sleeping. So this is very rare. He does not sleep in the evening. Hello. You are almost awake? What are you dreaming?
Sleeping.
A stripper dancing in your lap? Or you won a lottery? Which one?
Dreaming of sleeping.
Sleeping? How can you dream of sleeping? Come on, it's 9 p.m. Yes, see, Saisha is also waking you up by throwing things at you. Saisha, Dada is not waking up. Not. Oh, you see, with his hands, I think my tea was going to be spilled here also. No, not 5 minutes. It's 9 p.m. almost 9. Saisha. Wake up, see? Saisha is also waking up. See? Yay! 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 Just be out. See, I made this for you. Aloo tikki and tea. What is
Saisha, what's this? It's homemade aloo tikki. Ah, very good. Oh my god, see Saisha. What's this? What's this?
It's hot.
It's hot.
Saisha knows it's hot.
It's hot? No, it's not hot. Yay, thank you.
Come, go freshen up first. Go freshen up first and then we'll have this. And we have to announce the winner also.
Okay.
One.
Please.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How do you like the surprise? Did you like it?
Yes, very much. My god.
Yeah, I made it for you.
Thank you. Can I eat the rest?
Sure. Tell our friends it's good or not.
Yeah, it's very good. Yummy.
And I have tea also. Mmm. So Saisha is also eating her snacks at her own dining table. This is a small dining table. So now it's time. I think we should announce a winner of the giveaway. Guess the age game.
So this is the right answer on the screen.
We are displaying the right answers of all the channel owners in the screen because I don't remember them. And thank you everyone for participating, for commenting and liking the video. We really appreciate that a lot. But the $50 giveaway prize goes to Acryat Studio. Yes, the channel name is Acryat Studio. I'll provide the link in the description. We were not able to put photo of the channel owner because we did not get a response yet, and I think she does not know that she is the winner, but we are trying to contact her and we'll try a method to give her the $50 prize money. And once she gets it, hope I'll be able to show you a video of her receiving it. We'll see that. Yeah, congratulations Acryat Studio, and thank you for participating.
Thank you.
So friends, our kitchen is clean and
Thanks to me.
Yeah, he did a good job in cleaning the kitchen. So if you haven't noticed, Rajiv has a good haircut, see? And he's looking so cute. And I gave this haircut. So I'm responsible for this cute person over here. So look out for a next video. It would be how I did his haircut at home.
You call this cute?
Yes.
Oh my.
Kutu. Actually, it's now around 12 in the night. We did our dinner. We fed Saisha. All the work is completed and we'll go to sleep. So good night everyone and take care. Like, subscribe, share, do whatever you want. It's all free. It's all your wish. Goodbye.
Bye.